What?
We're about to race this, homie.
Blow off valve right here. On the agenda for today was to change the transmission fluid, but you know what? Dallas and Steve are coming over, and if the boys are coming over, we're gonna skip that. We're gonna go straight to the blow off valve and save the trans fluid for next. Because I'm gonna see if I can get it on in the 30 minutes before they come over. This is what the box looks like. I bought it on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description to order it. Fittings, this is for the 90-degree angle one. We don't need that. Just a little baby blow off valve right here. It's a little compact. It's always good when your lug nuts are not loose. Double check your jack stand before you get up underneath here. So when you go in here, let's go up underneath. And this is the bypass valve right here. We've got a vacuum hose that we could take off with needle nose. Then the 3 Allens right there is all we gotta get. Just got the vacuum line off. Had to scoot back that clamp just a little bit. Installed. Fits perfectly in that bracket. Here's the new. Everything is on. I'm just gonna start it real quick, make sure that everything is functioning. The boys just showed up. Perfect timing. They're not gonna know what's going on. I'm gonna hide the box. What's up? What's popping with you guys?
Nothing.
Top of the coilover was making a weird noise.
Just good at it. We in your shop?
No, I'm done. I didn't have a suspension problem.
It's light, like it's not.
You like it?
Yeah.
What?
We're about to race this, homie. Oh, get him. Come on, dude, look. Ah!
Give her a little rip. Should you buy this for your car? 180 bucks, zero question. If you haven't had much blow-off valve experience, absolutely do it. This is a super easy install. You and your homies will put a big old smile on your face. You guys have a great time. Enjoy it. Putting it on, driving it after. People will think you're crazy on the intersections, you know, in the corners. They'll stand on the corner and they hear that, they're scratching, they're like, what the heck is that sound coming out of there? And it's just a fun time. So I encourage you guys to do it now. Where, I guess my opinion comes into play, not that it even is relevant, but I've had a lot more experience and my taste for turbo sounds and blow-offs and all that has become very picky. So I've been spoiled over the years of getting more experience, and that's what's gonna come with you guys like as you get older and stuff like that. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but I honestly wouldn't run it. That's just my taste. I'd rather just focus on the Focus ST exhaust note. I kind of enjoy that for what it is, and then leave my, you know, blow-off sounds for like a car like my Subaru that just, it hits different. So, but please don't take that if you haven't been around it much. When I had my Speed 3, I had one super loud on there, blow off valve. I got it a ton. So like a lot of this car stuff, how I handle it, my personality is probably, which most of you guys probably agree. You go full send loud on everything, and then you retract back. So with this being the blow off situation, if you are on the fence, send it. Absolutely send it. Use the link in the description. So I was like, you know what? Let's just try it. Let's go full send. Let's get our real opinion on what we think. So this is a perfect situation for you to kind of get a taste of what you like and don't like. But I'm sure most of you guys will like it. It's a good time and it puts a smile on your face.